My name is Degiampietro. I'm business consultant at Brix Cross Media. We are based in Allschwil. With me is Felix Wolf, software engineer. So first about our company. We are founded in 2000 in Allschwil. We are not Magnolia partner or developers. We're doing systems like digital asset management with CELUM. We have our own web-to-publish solution. We do PIM with Akineo, and we do dynamic database publishing with XActuell and Docs42. So, digital asset management, we are CELUM partner, we are business partner and preferred implementation partner. We serve about 50 CELUM customers. We do full service, so we serve you with some extensions. We do customizings, integration of a digital asset management system like CELUM. Then we have a lot of extensions built and connectors, and one of it we will see later. So the CELUM is like a media hub where you can store your assets like videos, images, etc., enrich with metadata to search and convert at time when you are downloading the assets. And there are different connectors, different possibility to couple the DAM system with your other solution. And one of it is Magnolia CMS. So we built the Magnolia connector. We did this extension for CELUM DAM. And this connector allows you to search, select, and place CELUM assets directly inside your Magnolia CMS. The assets then are linked instead of copied and is always up to date. With another extension of our, we can show you also on a marker inside your DAM system that the asset is used in your CMS. The connector provides also a content app for CELUM assets, and last, we have some requirements, of course. You need Magnolia CMS 5.4, the CELUM Cora, and you will find more information about the extension on our website or on our documentation site. So I switch now to the live demo. So on one side we have our DAM system here, where you can store your assets, like some assets about Basel. You have some metadata, etc. You can download, convert the assets directly and publish to other websites. And on the other side, we have the Magnolia. And here you have the possibility to browse also to your DAM assets. You can view it like this. And the point here is that you don't have to leave your CMS. So you have the possibility, if you are writing a news or edit the page, to insert directly your CELUM image. You can browse, you can search about. So then you get the bus, choose it, and the asset is directly linked to your DAM system. So if you do an update on your DAM side, if you have a new version of this asset here, then the asset will be directly is up to date inside your CMS and on your website. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.
And do you find that, is it that people typically, companies typically already have CELUM installed and they want to just connect that to their Magnolia, or what is the typical?
Yes, it is typical that you have a DAM system to store your assets like videos, images, etc., to enrich them, to convert them, to download them and publish on other systems. And they have also Magnolia, and they had the wish that they can connect Magnolia with her own dam, and yeah.
Okay. Questions from the audience? Here comes. Oh, that was terrible. Sorry. Oh my God. I shouldn't try underhand.
Hello? Okay. My question, what's your concept for delivering the image? Which system is delivering the image? Is it Magnolia or is it the DAM system? So in a production environment.
The delivering the DAM system is the one source of the right image, and then we link it to Magnolia, and from this point you have different possibilities. So I guess we have some cache options, etc.
So the image is delivered from Magnolia and stored in Magnolia cache?
No, it's delivered from DAM, from CELUM.
Okay, that means you need the DAM system publicly available, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
What about the renditions? So delivering the same image in different sizes for mobile, for instance?
Yeah, of course.
That's handled by CELUM then?
Yeah, of course. This is one point how or why you have to use a DAM system inside your company, that you can do like things like this automatically.
Okay, thanks a lot. Yeah. Yeah.